Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show how to create this amazing preset for Lightroom. Very easy, you need just repeat after me. Now you can see the result before and after this preset. I hope you like it. Also you can download this preset absolutely free, you need just get a password for it. Password is going to appear during this video on the right top corner. Exactly like now. So have a nice watching. Let's get started.
I don't know if I'm changing over. In the moonlight I can't kill this feeling sober. So I start to come alive. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills me. With our back against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see. Wait for me. I don't die inside my reality. Wait for me. I wait your life to remember me. I feel like that we're getting closer to a brand new night. The past is finally getting over. I really think it's time to say goodbye. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills me. With our back against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see. Wait for me. I don't wanna die inside my reality. Wait for me. I wait your life to remember me. I don't know if I'm changing over. In the moonlight I can't kill this feeling sober. So I start to come alive. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills me. With our back against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see. Wait for me. fact that we're getting closer to a brand new night. The past is finally getting over. I really think it's time to say goodbye. I don't know what starts to control me. I'll let it go, another soul is underneath.
The preset's ready. Now I will show you how to apply preset to photos. A preset is not always perfect for every photo, and sometimes you need to adjust the settings a little. Leave your request for new presets under this video, and we will definitely make the preset at your request absolutely free. Subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up, write your requests for presets. Thank you for being with us. See you next time.